This is a look at how you can log a call on the Sultan Qaboos University ITSM system. You'll need to first go to this link, click it, and it should open to this. Here you'll be asked to insert your username, your SQU username, and your SQU network password. Then click Enter, and you'll then get the following screen emerge. In most cases, you'll be clicking New Request. However, you're encouraged to check the Frequently Asked Questions section to see if an answer to your query may already exist. In either case, you can still go ahead and make your request. Click New Request, and the following window should emerge. And if you are in the CPS, you have an IT issue, you'll be clicking IT Support. If you're not done yet, you'll have to click Center for Preparatory Study Support, and then finally click CPS IT Support. The following window should emerge, and you'll need to fill this in, selecting the problem type, selecting the impact, if it's across the department, if it's a service matter outside of the department, or if it's just for yourself. For most of us, we'll be selecting ourselves, and then we can decide on how much urgency there is for the matter. Give it a title. The example I'm going to use is actually for a problem. Sorry, the problem I'm looking at is for Google Classroom. Write a short description of the problem. This is one that we're encountering a fair bit at the moment. And if you like, you can add a file. This could be a screenshot, or better yet, you could include a screencast where you actually visually and audibly demonstrate the problem. All of it to ensure that your problem is fully understood. Once you're done, you then click the Submit button. We'll go back up here and mention this as a department-wide issue because in fact it is. Click Submit, and there it is. There's a log of my call. There's a log of a past call. And that's it. You should note that you can come back to the ITMS system and you can monitor the status of the request by clicking on it, clicking on the number, and it will tell you how the matter has been addressed, whether it's been resolved. And in this case, I helped them with resolving the problem. So you can monitor the status of the problem, and that's another advantage to using the ITMS system. And that's it.